Okay, folks, in this quick video, we're going to be talking about the sum function, lag, and lead. Now, the thing is, I'm going to have a much longer explanation in a couple of other videos coming up, so if you want to see more, just keep tuned for them. So first of all, I have this table called employees, and just so really quickly, I'm going to select everything from the table, and I'm going to order it by the salary, okay? Okay, that's all. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do sum, but notice this. You could do sum salary with the group by, but do you notice here I have this thing called over and then order by salary? And I'm just calling this running total. So it's going to select everything from the table plus this stuff. Now this is an analytical function or a window function. What that means is it's going to behave in this field a little bit like it would with a group by, but it's going to show all the other fields. So just kind of get used to staring at this language right here. Sum, which is the actual function, over this. And when you do this, here's what happens. Okay? So it shows everything in the table again. See, like this part is the same as over here. The only thing that's different is it added this field called running total. Now look, that's 14,000, 14,000. Now 14 plus 16 is 30. 14 plus 16 plus 18 is 48. So it's a running total. That's basically how it works. Now watch this. Let's do lag. Now you notice for lag, look at this, lag and sum. That's the only difference. I'm doing lag and sum. And the only other difference is this says running total. That's going to say next lower. What you do when you show a lag, you're ordering by a certain field, and whatever the value is, you're like, well, what's the next lower value? And there's different reasons why you might want to do this in real life. We're not going to get to them, but let me just show you this. So here's the lag. It's real simple, okay? This person makes the least amount of money, so nobody makes the next lower amount, so that's null. But this dude makes 16,000, and the person below him makes 14,000. This guy makes 18. So that person makes 16. So it just offsets it by 1. This list is pretty much the same thing as this list starting in the second value. Okay. Now lead is pretty much the opposite of lag. Everything's the same except we're saying lead instead of lag. And we're saying next higher instead of next lower. So when we run this, boom. Now you notice here the lowest value definitely has a next higher one, so this isn't null. But of course when we get to the end, this person here, Frank Schmank, he makes almost $1 million a year. That's why you want to learn software. And so he doesn't have anybody that makes a higher amount than him, so that's null. So basically, folks, that's how you do sum, lead, and lag. In another video coming up soon, I'm going to show you how you can do really cool stuff with something called partition by. And then what you can do is you can granularize everything, say, for example, by the department. That kind of thing. It's really cool. So if you like this video, please consider hitting the like button. If you like my teaching style and you think you could do more, then please, consider subscribing. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.